Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make a chickpea and farro salad. Cue the music. Alright, well, welcome back. Thanks a lot for watching. Make sure you go down and subscribe, like, leave a comment down below, and then share this video and this channel with everyone you know. Like I said, we're going to be making a chickpea and farro salad. So let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We've got 1 cup of cooked farro, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, juice of 1 lemon, 1 can of chickpeas that we've drained and rinsed, 2 green onions that we've chopped up, 1 cup of olives that we've chopped up, 9 grape tomatoes that we've halved, 1/4 cup of parsley that we've chopped up, 3 tablespoons of zaatar mix, 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/2 cup of feta cheese. You will find that recipe down in the description box. Let's start making the salad up. All right, you can do this a couple of different ways, but I'm going to show you the way I do it. Make it quick and easy. Don't forget that the recipe is in the description box below, so you can do it whatever you want. Once you get your mise en place all set together, like we've got here. All right, let's go ahead and add our cup of chickpeas that we've drained and then rinsed off. Our tomatoes right in there that we've cut in half. Pretty easy to do once you get all the prep done, which doesn't take too long at all. Green onions. We got some olives we're going to add in there. You can use black and or green. Fresh parsley. Whoop. Get the stems out of there. All right, we got our zaatar mix. And then we got our salt and pepper. Now you can make the dressing off to the side here. I've got the ingredients for the dressings mix. You can make the dressing and then pour it in, or you can mix all this up really well, like I'm doing now. Incorporate all those ingredients and the seasonings. Then you can add your olive oil and your juice of 1 lemon. Mix that up. Don't get any on the floor. There's our salad. We are going to let this chill in the refrigerator for about an hour, and then we'll be back to taste it. Alright, beautifully presented, beautiful pictures. Let's give this a taste and see what it tastes like. Get a little bit of the garbanzos with the farro and the olives on there. Got a lot of mouthfeel. Farro is very chewy, like a barley. Garbanzos, of course, chewy as well. Get that zest from that lemon and the oil, brings it all together. Salt, pepper brings it out, and you get that feta cheese, which kind of cuts in there and gives it a nice contrast. Yeah, this is really good. Another shot, a little bit of everything. Tomato on there. You can get that brininess of those olives as well. Absolutely delicious. The recipe is down in the description box. This is a good summer recipe for picnics or just to have as a side dish. I hope you enjoyed it. Farro and chickpea salad. Take care of yourself. We'll see you again next time.
Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Yeah. Now Now what you fixing up?